Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we are delving into KULR Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 17th of March, 2025, our system has assigned KULR Technology Group a hold accumulate rating, resulting in a score of negative 0.42. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock currently rests in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 45.31% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 100% to negative 15.12%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 60.25%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 14.23% and 375.6% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the anticipated future price between $1.51 and $8.36. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group includes the headline, Significant Movements in KULR Technology Group Inc. Stock Price on Monday, fluctuating by nearly 20% between high and low. The KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price increased by over 21% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, rising from $1.45 to $1.76. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of nearly 20%, with a low of $1.51 and a high of $1.81. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by nearly 42% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 14 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $55 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $5.49, while the lowest was 14.4 cents. Currently, the price is nearly 68%, or $3.73, below the 52-week high of $5.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. KULR Technology Group has announced that its NASA-certified M35A battery cells have been selected by a leading private United States space company for integration into spaceflight programs. This development represents a significant opportunity for KULR as it addresses the increasing demand for high-performance energy solutions within the aerospace sector. Furthermore, the recent achievement of AS9100 certification underscores KULR's commitment to quality and safety in aerospace, enhancing its position in the market. A strategic partnership with Worksport aims to innovate battery technology and strengthen domestic manufacturing, highlighting various growth opportunities for KULR. Additionally, by signing a distribution agreement with EDOM Technology, KULR plans to expand its presence in the artificial intelligence supply chain. This alignment with advancements in artificial intelligence may significantly boost revenue streams as demand for energy solutions in this sector continues to rise. In the short term, these announcements could positively impact KULR's stock price, reflecting heightened investor confidence. The long-term outlook remains promising, considering these strategic initiatives, which could solidify KULR's position as a key player in both the aerospace and energy technology sectors, fostering sustained growth and ongoing investor interest. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy grade along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered to be a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these could influence the near short-term development. KULR Technology Group stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Yet, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.77. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $1.31. A break above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the general outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 63.33%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 54 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 86 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, based on accumulated volume at $1.64 and $1.45. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, KULR Technology Group Inc. has support just below today's mark at $1.64. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.45 and $1.38. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 3 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of nearly 20%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of March, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at -2 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $2.03. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, KULR Technology Group faces its first support level at $1.64. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of January, 2025, Carpenter Michael Gerald conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Mo Michael conducted an insider purchase of 2 million shares of common stock. On the same day, Mo Michael also conducted an insider purchase of 270,000 shares of Series A preferred stock. On that day, Walker William Quinn conducted an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. Also on that day, Cantor Sean conducted an insider purchase of 1,500,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 61.572. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,228,279 shares in the last 68 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.66, reflecting a decline of 5.72%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 53 days ago. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? KULR Technology Group Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view this stock as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation while observing further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of March, we anticipate that KULR Technology Group will open lower by approximately $0.0667, starting at $1.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.